Welcome. I'm going to go over how to set up my basic sales and business bots. All right. You can click the link and it will cause those to open up in your account. I'm going to do that now. Make sure that if it takes things a while to load up that you don't push it repeatedly. Otherwise, what's going to happen is you'll end up with like multiple copies of those in your account. Like right now, yeah, see, I doubted for a second that it had taken, and so I almost pushed it again. I would have had all of these bots in here twice instead of just once if I hadn't just held off. All right, so I already went over how to use the Flawless Faces video / RSVP bot in another video, so you can check that out for that. But let's go in here and we're going to look at setting up the order bot first. All right, so we are going to have to select our service. We're going to be using that for text. You can change your trigger word if you wish. And then when people order, I have it add the tag of, that way I know they activated that. I can search everybody who has begun the process, whether they finished it or not. And then I'm going to add to the group customer. All right, and if you don't already have the group created, you can do it right in here by clicking that. It doesn't look like it's a clickable link, but it is. All right, so this just has the welcome message. If you want to change that, tweak it, make it sound more like you, go for it. And then it's really, really simple. In here, it has either ready to order or that they have a question. And that's all you really need to do. If you want to, you can preview it. Awesome. So we'll save that, and then we don't need final response on. And I don't want it to auto mark done because it won't be done until I send the invoice and thank them and that kind of thing. All right, so that's the order bot. And then we will turn it on. Yay! Now, next we're going to look at the VIP customer opt-in bot. I use this, so anybody who orders from me, they go into a customer group. And I'll reach out to them occasionally. Part of the reason I have the group there is so that I can actually go down the list of people and individually contact them, check on them, things like that. But then if there's a great sale or something really big, then I will reach out, but I'm not going to send them everything that I would like send to my VIPs. My VIPs get, let's say I have a limited time sale, they get extra time, they get first dibs on everything. I really try to spoil them and make them feel special. I offer them free shipping on a lot of stuff. I offer them tax-free, just little perks. If you are a repeat, like ongoing customer of mine, then I'm going to take really good care of you. So this is my customer opt-in bot for that. So to set this up for yourself, you're going to select text, and I just have the VIP. I've seen other people, I had others thought it was really cute when I suggested they might do VIP me, like VIP me. And I'm going to turn, let me move this little video, sorry, assign topics off, so we don't need that. And then you'll notice that there was another bot that came through with that, and it was the StopVIP. So anytime you make an ongoing bot like this, then you need to make sure they have a way to opt out. So that's really it. It's very simple to set that up. And now let's go set up the StopVIP bot. Oh, let's activate that. And we'll select text. StopVIP, do not have that be two different words. It will mess your whole text system up. For right now, we're just going to leave it basic, 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 because it's serving its purpose. I haven't actually had anybody use this ever. Once they come in mine, they tend to stay. And that's all it'll be. They'll say stop VIP. They'll get that little simple short message. And that's it. And now that is all set up. Must activate. Be sure to check out the YouTube playlist with the other Shout and ClickFunnels videos. These two services are absolutely amazing together. They have revolutionized my network marketing business in everything from sales to recruiting to onboarding and team. I use these for random things that have nothing to do with business. The ability to set up an auto response bot to a text number that it's not blowing up my phone constantly is invaluable. I use it for fundraisers, for my kids' stuff. I can use it literally for RSVPing for birthday parties. Like there's no end to how useful Shout actually is. And then when you pair it with ClickFunnels, you've got just an incredible business power couple there. All right. Hopefully this was helpful for you and really helps you feel confident as you experiment with Shout. I have another video coming up here very shortly where I have taken the idea of a newsletter and adapted it for text in a way that results in ongoing and profitable endeavors. But check it out. Ooh. Ouch, I got a sudden stabbing pain in my head. Oh, I need coffee. Sorry. You can tweak anything you need to make it sound more like you. So hopefully, I cannot talk lately, y'all. And very, what's the word? I don't know.